Class 11 sets. What is sets? Sets are the collections of well-defined objects. We have doing collections so many. Collections of rivers in India, collections of prime number, collection of odd numbers. So how will you define sets? Sets, a collection of well-defined objects are called sets. क्या ये well defined है? If I said collection of 10 topmost batsmen of India, 10 topmost batsmen in India, so it is not well defined. Not well defined. Because from me, some are topmost, from someone it is some are topmost. So, some criteria should be there. Who scored more runs? So, collection of well-defined objects are called sets. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters. It is denoted by capital letters, say X, Y, Z. The elements are represented by generally small letters. Elements in the sets are represented by small letters. So, example, x is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the elements. 1, 2, 3 are called elements. So, we represent set in two ways. One is roster or tabular form, other is set builder form. So, representation of sets. First is roster or tabular form. Roster or tabular form. In roster form, all the elements of sets are listed and are separated by comma and are enclosed in curly brackets. All the elements of sets are listed and are separated by curly brackets. Suppose 2, 4, 6, 8. All the elements are separated by comma and enclosed in a curly bracket. This is called roster form or tabular form. You can write this A, B, C, D. So all the elements are denoted by small letters and enclosed by curly bracket. If I write school in the form of sets, how will you write? SCHOOL. Here O is 2. So repeating element write only one time. Second, set builder form. In this, all the elements of a set possesses single common property. Single common property which is not possessed by any other element. All the elements of set possess single common property. For example, set of vowels you write A, E, I, O, U. It is a roster form, but you write in set filter form. How will you write X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. ए सिंगल प्रॉपर्टी पोजेस कर रहे हैं. क्या पोजेस कर रहे हैं? सिंगल कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी है. सारे क्या है? वॉवल्स हैं. तो इधर x किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू को. दिस इज द सिंबल फॉर such that. Now, if what does it mean? A belongs to V. This is a symbol of. इसको अपन क्या लिखेंगे? Belongs to. If I write D, D क्या इसको belongs करेगा नहीं करेगा? तो how will you write? This is symbol of not belongs to. Set builder. Now some common sets are there, which is denoted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is capital N, it is a set of natural number. What is Q? Set of rational or irrational? Set of rational number. What is Z? Set of integers. In this way it is given to you. What is R? Set of real numbers. What is Q plus? Set of positive rational numbers. Set of positive rational numbers. So question first, which of the following are set? You have to tell which of the following are sets. Which of the following are sets? First, collection of month, letter G. So this is a set. We can collect it. See here. कौन कौन सा हो सकता है? जनवरी, जून, July. So it is a set. Second, the collection of most 10 most talented writers. 10 most talented writers. तो ये मोस्ट टैलेंटेड, किसी के लिए कोई टैलेंट होगा, किसी के लिए कोई. इट इज नॉट वेल डिफाइंड. सो इट इज नॉट अ सेट नहीं होगा. A team of 11 best cricketer. 11 best cricketer, batsman of world. एक ऐसी टीम बनानी है जो 11 बेस्ट क्रिकेटर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. तो इधर बेस्ट क्रिकेटर सबके लिए अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. It is also not a set. It is not a well defined. It is not a set. set. I take sixth part, collection of novel written by Munshi Premchand. Collection of novel written by Munshi Premchand. Novel written करने किससे? मुंशी प्रेम, वेल डिफाइंड हो गया, सो इट इज अ set. So it is a set. Question 2. Let A is given to you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is given to you 1, 2, 3. You have to insert belongs to or not belongs to. See here, this is the elements of set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 natural numbers. 1, 5 क्या इस सेट में आ रहा है? आ रहा है. Yes. So we write belongs to. 0 इस सेट में आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है. We write not belongs to. 2 इस सेट में आ रहा है? आ रहा है. We write belongs to. 10 इस सेट में आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है. We write not belongs to. So in this way we write belongs to or not belongs to. Question number 3. Remaining part. Question number 3. Write in roster form. Write in roster form. First, A, x such that x is an integer -3 से बड़ा और -7 से छोटा. You have to write in a tabular form, roster form. -3 से बड़ा, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this property we can write by the elements separated by comma. These are the integers from -3 greater than -3 less than 6. I will take another example. Fourth, D is equal to such that x is a prime number, is a prime number which is divisor of 60. वो प्राइम नंबर जो 60 से डिवाइड होते हैं. 2, 3, 5, 7 we can't say. 2, 3, 5, 7 is not, and 11 is not, 13 is not. So 19 is not. So this is the answer. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. 2, 3, 5. Now, sixth, the set of words F दिया हुआ है B E T T E R. Better to write in tabular form, roster form. B E T रिपीटिंग वर्ड वन टाइम. ये 2 बार आ रहा है तो एक बार लिखेंगे, 2 बार आ रहा है तो एक बार लिखेंगे. नाउ फाइव 4 write in set builder form. Set builder form. First is 3, 6, 9, 12. Here you see that 3, 6, 9, 12. What it is? It is a multiple of 3. It is a multiple of 3. So, give this name A is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 3 where x is less than or equal to 12. X is a multiple of 3, x is less than or equal to 12. One more I will do. See here, third part is given to you 5, 25, 125, 625. 5, 25, 125. Here you see that it is the powers of 5. 5 to power 1, 5 to power 2, 5 to power 3, 5 to power 4. So how will you write in set builder form? X such that x belongs to such that x is equal to 5 to the power n, where n क्या है? Natural number है और n is 1, 2, 3, 4. n is less than 5. All are the powers of 5. If you put n1, 5, 2, 25, 3, 125, 4, 625, all are less than 5. Now I will take question number 5. 1, 4, 9, dash, 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 100. What it is? 1 का square, 2 का square, 3 का square, 4 का square, squares of natural numbers. So you can write a x such that x where x is equal to n to the power 2 where n belongs to n and n is less than or equal to where n is less than or equal to 10. See, if you put n1, it will become 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, and if you put 10, it is this. So it is the set builder form, representation in the set builder form. Now you list the following elements of the sets. Now again you have to write in the roster form. Question number 5. List all elements of following sets. All elements of following sets. A is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. How will you write? A is equal to natural number, odd natural number 1, 3, 5, 7, dash, 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 dash. Now, third part. C is equal to x such that x is an integer where x square is less than or equal to 4. Integer नेगेटिव नंबर भी हो सकते हैं, तो you can write -2 का स्क्वायर 4 होता है, -1, 0, 1, 2. These are the integers which possess this property. So in this way you have to list the following.